Good morning, class 4th students. We will continue your syllabus after half yearly examination. So your next chapter is chapter 7, division. Division is the repeated subtraction of a number from another number. We write 36 divided by 12 equals to 3. डिवीज़न जो होता है स्टूडेंट, जो आप लास्ट क्लासेस में भी कर चुके हो, डिवीज़न जो है वो रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है एक नंबर का फ्रॉम अनदर नंबर. We write 36 divided by 12 equals to 3. Since 12 can be subtracted 3 times from 36. It means 12 जो है वो subtracted है 3 times 36 में से. So 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12 and 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. And 36 divided by 12 equals to 3. 36 is the dividend. 36 को हम डिविडेंड बोलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. 12 इज़ द डिवाइज़र. 12 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो 12 डिवाइज़र होगा एंड 3 इज़ द क्वेश्चंट. और 3 टाइम जा रहा है उसमें, 3 टाइम आंसर है तो क्वेश्चंट होगा 3. नोट दैट 36 इक्वल्स टू 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. व्हेन अ नंबर कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड फुली, जब कोई नंबर फुली डिवाइड नहीं होता बाय अनदर नंबर, किसी दूसरे नंबर से, सो आर रिमाइंडर इज लेफ्ट ओवर, सो रिमाइंडर बचता है उसमें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन 46 डिवाइडेड बाई 9 द क्वेश्चंट इज 5 and the remainder is 1. that this means 46 is equal to 9 multiplied by 5 plus 1. यहाँ से हमें एक फार्मूला मिलता है जो आप लास्ट क्लासेस में भी पढ़ चुके हो. डिविडेंड निकालने का फार्मूला होता है डिवाइज़र मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्वेश्चन. डिवाइज़र और क्वेश्चन का हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन उसमें रिमाइंडर ऐड करते हैं. व्हेन देयर इज़ नो रिमाइंडर, रिमाइंडर इज़ 0. एज इन 36 12 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 इक्वल्स टू 3. Dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient. Now students, we will do the exercise 7a. Exercise 7a has question 1 to 15. So fill in question 1 2 3 4. Question 1 2 3 we will fill in. We will do fill in. So question 1a, 52 divided by 1. So take out your notebook and we will do the exercise 7a. So you will write here chapter 7 division, then you will write exercise 7a. Now here you will mention the date here. The today date is 4/8/20. Now fill in. We will write fill in. Question 1 a, 52 divided by 1. So we all know that when we divided by any number by 1, so the answer same number. So we will write 52 here. 52 divided by 1 equals to 52. When we divided 52 by 1, it will be divided 52 times. So we will write here 52. Now question B, 163 divided by 1. So it will be same 163. Question C, 38 divided by 1. Same 38. Question D, 270 divided by 1 is equal to 270. Now question 2, 45 divided by 1. When we will divide same number by same number, so the answer will be 1. So 45 divided by 45 equals to 1. Question B, 19 divided by 19 equals to 1. Question C is when we divided 0 by any number, so the answer will be 0. So 0 divided by 74 equals to 0. 0 divided by 60 equals to 0. Question 3, part A, 84 divided by 4. So when we divided, it will be 21. Question B, 550 divided by 5. It will be 110. Question C, 728 divided by 8, it will be 91. Question D, 630 divided by 9, it will be 70. Now students, question 1 2 3 has done. Divide. Question 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 we will also do divide. So question 4a, 470 divided by 15. So in notebook we will write Question 4a, we will divide it 470 by 15. So first we will divide it 47 by 15. 15 3 ja 45 because 15 4 ja 60. That will be the bigger than 47. So we will write 15 3 ja 45. Now we will subtract 45 from 47. It will be 2. And we will write here 0 from here. So it will be 20. Now we will divide 20 by 15. 15 1 ja 15. So the answer remainder will be 5 and the question will be 31. I hope you will be understand well. Now question B, we will divide it in question B 525 by 21. So we will divide it first 52 by 21. 21 2 ja 42. Now we will subtract 42 from 52. It will be 10. And here we will write 5 from here. So it will be 105. Now we will divide it 105 by 21. So it will be 5 times. 21 5 ja 105. So there is no remainder and the question will be 25. Now question C. Question C is 6592 by 32. Students, you will remember one thing before do exercise. You will write the each number separate column as you have seen here. Now we will do question number C 6592 by 32. So first we will divide it 65 by 32. So it will be 2 times. 32 2 ja 64. So when we subtract 64 from 65, it will be 1. Now we will write down here 9 from here. So it will be 19. But 19 is not divisible by 32. So we will write one more number from here 2. So it will be 192. But before we will write 2, we will write here 0 in quotient. And then we will write 2 from here. So it will be 192. Now we will divide it 192 by 32. So it will be 6 times completely. 32 6 ja 192. So there will be no remainder and the quotient will be 206. Now question D 5684 by 28. 28 2 ja 56. There is no left over. Now we will write here 8 from here. But 8 is smaller than 28. So 8 is not divisible by 28. So we will write here one more number from here 4. And we will write here 0. Now 28 3 is 84. So there will be no remainder and the question will be 203. Now student, question 1 2 3 4 has done. In my next video we will do the remaining question of this exercise. Thank you.